Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website on your phone or computer. If you're on a computer, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Choose the one you want, and YouTube will immediately change the language for you. If you're using the YouTube mobile app, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, and then tap on Language. Select your preferred language from the list, and YouTube will update accordingly. And that's it. Now you can enjoy YouTube in your preferred language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.